Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address on your Alibaba account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and password or by using your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your shipping address, then simply click on your cart or proceed with ordering any item. After choosing your items from your cart, click on the checkout button. And now you will be asked to enter your shipping address if you don't already have one. If you already have one saved, then you can click on the change button at the right side of your shipping address. And now you will see the add an address option. You can click on this button or you can edit your current one by clicking on the edit button. After entering your full details such as your country or region, your first and your last name as well as your phone number, you will need to enter your street address followed by your apartment or suite or building number and then your state, province, city as well as postal code. You can also add a tag so that it will make it easier to remember. Finally, click on the submit button and now your shipping address will successfully be changed. You can proceed to the payment option and now when you make your payment, your item will be delivered to the address that you just changed into. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your shipping address on Alibaba. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.